Hi, Rizwana Muntewari here and welcome to Raz Arts. I'm showing today very important business luck sigils, writing live the sigils, a combination of sigils for complete business success and money flow. Whatever you're going through, these sigils will help you unblock the money blocks and welcome new opportunities and money flow into your life. So, hope this helps you. Let us begin writing the sigils. Always remember, sigils have to be written with clear mind and pure intentions, and allow the universe to work upon you. Be alert for the opportunities that come in front of you, and of course, be really prepared to work very hard to achieve your goals. Trust the universe and allow the energy flow. You need not be confused about your intentions. You can ask whatever your heart desires. There is everything in abundance with the universe. There are no limits. And just be careful to have a valid and reasonable amount that you ask from the universe, and the universe will bless you. Also, I request you do not hesitate, or there are no perfect sigils. You can go with the flow, and even if the strokes are somewhat imperfect, you do not have to worry. Your intentions have to be clear. I advise to bring the baby innocence in your intentions to get best results. That is, you have to be really very innocent while you are asking any wish from the universe. Just like babies are innocent with pure heart and they have no hidden agendas or no other meanings to their wishes. They are simply pure wishes. That is what you have to request when you write a symbol or a sigil for wish fulfillment. Sigils can be written on paper and burnt, and then you have to forget about them and start working with pure intentions. Some people also find to keep sigils with them at a comfort level, whether in their wallet or their table, office table, or their personal drawers. But remember to keep the sigils hidden from public to avoid any negative energy clashes or undue blocks to your wish fulfillment. After a lot of research, a lot of reading, and practicing symbolism since the past 20 years, I have come up with these best combination of sigils for complete business luck and money flow. You can either write a single sigil or all the sigils. You can also write it on one paper, or you can write it on different papers. You can burn them, or you can place them folded in your wallet or your drawers, and allow the sigils to work for you. I always use a combination of sigils for faster results. There are also other symbols along with my Reiki symbols to activate and open up the energy flow instantly. So you can also find out the beautiful sigils and use a combination for complete luck. Remember, money is just one of the goal. You have to always work upon your life in combination of health, wealth, relationships, and the feng shui of your home and office. All the combination is the magical formula for success in your life and to improve the quality of your life and your business. It is advisable to use a red pen or a golden pen or a stark black pen to write your symbols. While you intend to write sigils or make a sigil for business luck, The best timing is early morning time or the evening time when you have free, that is quiet time. Remember to switch your phone off and also avoid speaking with anyone while you are writing the sigils. It is best to sit in the northwest sector or the northeast sector while you are writing the sigils for faster results. Combinations can be different for you and your business, so it is advisable to first jot down your intentions clearly. Or more. It all depends upon the stage of your life or the energy stage you are in and the lessons the universe wishes to teach you. Hope this helps you. Do share your experiences. This is your Red Pilgrim wishing you all the best. Bye bye. Take care.